This GMC Sierra 1500 delivers a gas/ethanol V8 5.3 liters/323 engine powering this automatic transmission. Windshield wipers and washers incorporated, intermittent wiper system, demand type washer system, windows, rear, power, windows, front, power with backlit switches and lockout feature incorporated, driver express down. This GMC Sierra 1500 features the following options: transmission, 4-speed automatic without incorporated, tow/haul mode, rec, L20 engine, transfer case, electronic autotrac with rotary dial controls, theft deterrent, electronic immobilizer, sunshades, left/right hand padded with lighted visor mirrors, steering wheel, leather wrapped, steering wheel and column, tilt wheel, adjustable with brake/transmission shift interlock, Stabilitrak electronic stability control system with Proactive Roll Avoidance incorporated, electronic trailer sway control, hill start assist, spare tire, full-size 432mm, 17, steel spare tire lock, single two-sided key. Stop by today. A short visit to Laird Wheaton located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia. V9 T3 L3 can get you a tried and true Sierra 1500 today.